Okay, here we go. So, great old rims. These are good old Araya 7X, genuine Araya 7X rims from 1985, 86, somewhere in there. Hubs are nothing to speak of, although they just need a good cleaning. But the spokes are rusted, the nipples are rusted, so we're going to rebuild this wheel. But how do you get the spokes off? Well, got our old friends the wire cutters, and you just start bing, bing, bing. Shocking. Goodbye. This is how you strip a wheel in 30 seconds, man. Pop it out. Now it's 36 spokes. Boom. Easy peasy. Learn this skill. Never too old to learn. There you go. Voila. And just all these will come out eventually. And we're done. Gather all these up. Or recycle them for something. It's a good little bit of metal there, but and here goes the next one, the rear wheel. God, that sound. That's it. One more. There we go. Voila. This just should fall out. Have a rim strip on there. Clean as a whistle. Well, needs to be clean. It's not clean as a whistle though. And there's all this stuff. Good boy. I'll work on that later, but you get the idea. So you make short work of a rim you want to a wheel you want to rebuild.